Hey y'all, I hope everybody's doing okay. Well, I was just getting ready to go to bed, and my husband had gone to the trouble to bring this box upstairs. Can you tell I'm out of breath from coming up the stairs holding Brie, y'all? She wants me to carry her, and it's not like she can't. She comes running in here all the time. But at night, it's like she wants me to carry her up the stairs, so I have been. Anyway, right after I had done an unboxing of my Pauline that my husband got me for my birthday, which is very pretty, and the more, when I took it downstairs, took an outside light and brought it back in, I said, does this look too melony, like cantaloupe orange to you? He goes, no, it looks like a blush color, and the more he said it, the more I saw it that way. So I'm actually glad it wasn't a light pink. It's more of a true blush pink. So anyway, I had placed an order for a collectible bag. It's not one you've probably even heard of, so you'd be like, why? I don't know. I may open it and go, I'm sending this right back, but I have to show you this part. It's really cool. Do you see that sign right up there? It's from Liechtenstein. No, Liechtenstein. No. Anyway. It's from Germany. Hold on. I'm not going to be able to hold this and open it. Hold on. This is what we'll do. We'll pull out the straw. That way. Whoops. Let's open this. Let's see what in the world I've got myself into. Am I going to send it back? Or was this a truly good investment? I'm looking more for, I'll buy bags that are just common in the sense of their brands that people order. Like one of my favorite bags is Brahmins, and I think a lot of people like Brahmins, so it's not that unique. This one is different. I've never even heard of it before. And the more I read up on it, the more I like the concept. So here's the overall concept. It's called a mystery bag. Oops, and I think I see a packing slip. That's not something you want to ignore in international shipment. Always get your packing slip out. Mystery bag. International. Okay, this is how you spell the name of the brand. S-E-K-R-E. Sekre? It means secret. And there's a secret in the bag. And what they do is they take an artifact, a archived piece of something valuable from someone famous. One was from Queen Victoria. Couldn't afford that one. One was, there's a couple other ones that I liked. I like Catherine Hepburn's, but the one I really fell in love with, because she's one of my favorite all-time ladies, is Princess Grace. And of course, you know, and with Hermes, the Kelly is named after her. One of my favorite perfumes is named after, made by Lupin, called, I can't think, I'm so tired. I show now on my collection. Looks like her when she got off the yacht and she came to Monaco and she had the big hat on. It's, oh gosh, I'll show it to y'all tomorrow. Anyway, this is the Grace Kelly bag. It's a special edition. It's called Blonde, Cool Blonde, #1. It was handmade. The whole piece is handmade in Germany. And what they did was they took a letter from her and they cut it into 36 pieces. So that's it. There's no others. There's only 36 of these bags that were made. In each one of the bags, they placed a piece of her handwritten letter. It's a mystery. So I can't wait to see. It's supposed to be protected under a piece of plastic. I've never done this before. So it's highly collectible because there really is only 36. And of the piece that I'll have, there's only one in the world. And boy, is this thing overstuffed. If this is the size of the bag itself, this thing's going to be way too huge. Okay, I'm going to have to bend over because there's a box inside the bag, thank goodness. That means this huge bag is not the size of the purse. Oh my gosh. It would be bigger than a tote. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I should have got an overhead camera. Here we go. Oh, I get it out. Oh. Okay, here's the box. Oh, I had it upside down. Like secret bag, mystery bag. See, and I think it's like the word secret is in another language. I don't remember if it's Tahitian, Haitian. I don't remember Japanese. I don't remember. That looks more like French, which would be more like Haitian. Hold on. We definitely don't want to do anything to cut the bag or box in any way that if I don't think this is an amazing thing, that I can send it back on. So I'm looking for return instructions as well. Matter of fact, does this say anything about how to do return? It's all written in German. Oh, by the way, my husband had to pay the tariff. I didn't know it wasn't included. It was 98 bucks. Yeah. And someone said that's what happens in auction houses. And I'm like, well, this is an auction house piece, so I didn't even know that. So I guess, or what do you call it, a broker, maybe? Is that the right way to say it, broker house? I don't know. Okay, this is taking way longer than it should just to get inside the box. Sorry, y'all, I didn't mean to take this long. Okay, so it's just a shiny white box. I don't know if you can see. Let's open it. This almost makes you want to cry. I want to show y'all this. This is an experience. It comes with a 10-year warranty certificate and white gloves. I wonder if it's the white gloves that were used to build it, and so you get the gloves of the master who built it. If this is for you to use to touch your piece. Okay, here's the certificate. This is an official certificate. This handbag contains the original part of a handwritten letter of Grace Kelly from 1929 to 1982 to the newspaper columnist Leonard Lyons. The letter is dated August 7, 1970. Ah, I'm an August baby. The authenticity of this letter has been verified and confirmed by an expert of the Swiss Federal Association of Free Experts and the International Organization. The written confirmation in the possession of Sekre. And wait, why didn't I get it? So if I open this, the right to return this, it says, expires immediately according to German law. In the presence of a German notary, the artifact was cut into 56 pieces, numbered and saved in a passe-partout. My number is number 6 of 56. Here, how it is placed in the bag. There's the bag. It's a felt bag. Let's get to it. Oh, wow, it is a large bag. Wow. I remember seeing them place it in the bag on the video. Look how they've got it in this beautiful silk foam piece. And here it is. It's huge. Well, this is like a satchel bag, really. Which that's okay. I've got plenty of little bags, and I've got big bags. Okay, see this color, this yellow mustard color, is because it is a blonde. And that is meaning it's a Grace Kelly bag. It has feet on the bottom. So let's listen to it. It has no pocket on the back or on the front. It has rolled handles. It's a grain leather. Oh, this is where the secret is. It's under this piece. Handwritten by Grace Kelly from the year 1970. This is 6 out of 56 pieces of hers. And that's the secret. And it's matted. There's just a little mat like a picture frame. It is like a picture frame, but it's sewn into the bag. And there's her writing. So Grace Kelly wrote that. Hollywood legend, considered one of the most beautiful world, if not the most beautiful women in the world. So inside the bag, what's it like? Some of you may be like, that's all neat and cool, but what's the bag like? It has a shoulder strap. It has a pouch with a zipper, the handmade zippers. Each individual tooth is polished. I said that about the Pauline. It's this bag. That's true. Here is, right here it says handmade in Germany, cool blonde #1. And it's got a zipper pouch. So these ends are secured. So it's got a zipper pouch here and a short zipper pouch here. Oh, that's because there's a pouch behind it, a slip pocket behind it, and over here is another short one, I guess for glasses. This could be for either your wallet or your phone, your cell phone. That's probably where I would put your wallet in there and put the cell phone right there. And that's it. So what makes this bag so special? What makes this bag so special is this. And that's it. The fact that it's handmade, hand polished. And I'll have to read more to see why it came with these gloves. I don't know if it's to deal with it or who dealt with